Hey, Bill Vernon, and I'm your Keller Williams agent for the Central Texas area. And some people might go, hey, Bill, whoa, what part of Central Texas? What's Central Texas area? My team and I have offices in Waco and in the Killeen area. So the greater Killeen, Belton, Temple, and Waco, and all the little towns in between, basically the Bell County and the McLennan County and the counties that touch that. So anything south of Hillsborough, north of Gerald, I and my team are here to help you. So what I want to talk to you about is right now, the current market situation. Why do you need a real estate agent in your life? And this is why I'm going to tell you. Yes, it is true right now that even a total idiot savant, and that's being mean to idiot savants, can get a household right now. If you put a sign out in the yard, you get it. But that's not where you need experience. You also need the experience of negotiating the contracts, navigating. A lot of people don't realize just getting the sales contract is just part of the whole process. And if you look at another video that I posted about process, you'll come to find out that there's a lot to this after you get the contract. And so that's where an experienced real estate agent is going to earn their salt for you. And so what do you need to look for in an experienced agent is the number of transactions they've done. Maybe you have a new agent, but they're hanging out with somebody like me that can help them in you through the process. So I don't want to also throw maybe newer agents under the bus, but there's a something to be said about hiring someone like me and my team to help you through the process after you get the sales contract. And so what I'd like you to do is just give me a call at 254-495-5661, and we'll talk about how to get your home sold and there's drama. Let's just be honest. Real estate in and of itself is stressful and drama filled. My job as your agent and my team's job as the people that are going to help you through this is eliminate that drama. Instead of us being nominated for the Academy Award, we want to be a B movie. And so that experience is what you're going to be looking for in what you'll find with the I-35 group. Hey, I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye now.